Fans, you all saw the video I posted before. Juju Ekwensu evil prophet exposed. Now, a lot is coming out. I tell you, say, the more you look, the more you see. A lot is coming out. The truth, as Juju Ekwensu refused to confess, the confession is confessing her. This is where they organized to buy May Edoshe's son. This is the same prophet that saw vision for Yul Edochie, how May Edochie take by his son. Whereas now them, they strike Kambele-Chukwu. And Yul Edochie was the one that opened the door for them. They operate in different forms. This is the evil prophet when he walked with Juju Ekwensu to buy Kambele-Chukwu. My people, anyway, May Edochie say leave everything for the hands of God. Juju Ekwensu, she will still confess with her mouth. This is the evil prophet where they go meet. According to the information coming to us, they say the night before the day we Kambele-Chukwu by that night, they had 7 nights prayer. Somebody that is inside their church, now can expose them. The person say Juju Ekwensu they present for this church. He say evil spirits they hold Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu go dey turn, he go dey turn, he go dey turn, he go dey turn, he go dey roll. He say, if the way she dey roll, you go even think say na snake. He say the way she dey fall, they hit body for ground. If she get up, you not go see one wound. So this their church member, when he find out who Juju Ekwensu truly was shocked. And this person exposed their secret. According to this person, he said, before the day Kambele-Chukwu by, they told them about this whole thing because it's not a church, it's a kind of cult where they are being initiated. They get stage by stage people. They are the people that goes into spiritual for the church. They told them that they have brought a picture of a boy. Say the papa already said the boy give them. I tell you now, say Yul Edochie sold his son. The truth don't they come out to say their papa, the father of the boy, have already sold him to them. So to attack the boy is not a hard thing. But they need spiritual backup to attack this boy. So according to this person, he said for 1 week, they were lighting black candle to get the spirit of Kambele-Chukwu. He said for good 1 week, they were doing evil incantations. He said they slept in the river for 7 days. If they break in the morning, they'll go out. Because morning, around 5, they'll come off for river. Throughout the night, they go dey on black candle, they go dey sing, they go dey dance for river, they do incantations on the picture of Kambele-Chukwu. He said when they can't talk about Juju Ekwensu come aside, he can't do a research. Now he can't see and say, now this boy where they say by that time, he can't go remember this is the picture of the boy they were all holding behind the river where they were doing incantations. He said it was 7 nights of incantations whereby they were calling the spirit of this boy for the rivers of the goddess to take him. He said for 7 nights now they do incantation. He said that 7 nights Juju Ekwensu was present, the sister was present, the mother was present with them. He said they did incantation. They invoked the spirit of the boy. He said the boy gave very strong spirit. He said it's supposed to be 3 days, but they did it for 7 days. He said after the 7th day, he said then Juju Ekwensu, he said after the 7th day, the next day, now the boy bear RIP. He said he remember very well. He said because they are the ones that stand spiritually for the church. He said now Juju Ekwensu carry the boy come. According to this, their spiritual member, he said now this pastor, now he tell Juju Ekwensu say, Kambele-Chukwu will be a big hindrance in their relationship. Say Kambele-Chukwu will block road well. Kambele-Chukwu have a spirit of peace. The spirit of peace of Kambele-Chukwu, he said Kambele-Chukwu carry the spirit of peace. The spirit of Kambilichuku will not allow May Edochie and Yul Edochie to scatter. If Juju Ekwensu want to divide Yul Edochie and May Edochie, Kambilichuku spirit must go down. Because the boy carries spirit of calmness, spirit of peace, spirit of humanity. So that spirit cannot separate his parents. Say Kambilichuku, they block road well. So for that reason, they have to remove Kambilichuku. He said they also came up that this boy is the senior son. If this boy buy, it will open door for Juju Ekwensu children. But if this boy stay alive, it will block road for Juju Ekwensu children. He said Juju Ekwensu brought this boy picture to them. He said now Juju Ekwensu carry and come. He said after they did what they want to do, then the next day, na Kambilichuku buy. He said when Kambilichuku buy, Juju Ekwensu carry sacrifice, can't give them for church. Juju Ekwensu brought sacrifice to them when they can't do Thanksgiving for church. He said why they were announcing that this boy buy. He said remember very well. He said then Juju Ekwensu, that's the Sunday of it. He said Juju Ekwensu came to the church to do Thanksgiving. He said they celebrated. He said Juju Ekwensu, the sister and the mother, he said they came to do Thanksgiving. They were celebrating. They were dancing. He said the reason why Juju Ekwensu was dancing after the RIP of Kambilichuku, because they cannot mourn that which they wish. I don't know whether you understand me. They cannot mourn something they wish for him to buy. They are the one that say Kambilichuku should buy. So they must not cry. They need to celebrate his RIP. And Yul Edochie need to celebrate with Juju Ekwensu, meaning the father of the child also celebrated the RIP of Kambilichuku, so that the spirit of Kambilichuku no go disturb them. My people, before I go into the details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty never bless you all in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. So, my lovely fans, now so Juju Ekwensu, they say they can't do Thanksgiving. 3 of them, the mother, the sister, and Juju Ekwensu, he said they can't do Thanksgiving. According to her, she said Juju Ekwensu is a princess in the married kingdom. He said even the sister says a princess in the married kingdom. He said all of them, they see themselves for married kingdom. He said Juju Ekwensu in the married kingdom, she gets evil power. Well. He said Juju Ekwensu have a spiritual husband. She have a spiritual children in the married kingdom. He said Juju Ekwensu have all her properties under the river. She said under the river, she is very successful. She is very powerful under the river. She says so. She has brought a lot of people to this, their kingdom. According to her, she said Juju Ekwensu also initiated a lot of people to them. The more she initiates, the more powerful she becomes. He said Juju Ekwensu is a very big python, big one. Not be small one, big one. She said she's a python, she's a mami water. She said in their kingdom, he said Juju Ekwensu they bring people where they can't they give them. Some they tie their womb, some they will not ever get married, some he will give them spiritual husband, give them spiritual wife. Those one not go ever marry again. If they even marry, their marriage not the last go, they scatter. He said Juju Ekwensu bring a lot of things to them. He said anybody will offend Juju Ekwensu, say the next day Juju Ekwensu don't carry the person go river. He said a lot of people when Juju Ekwensu don't bring. He said the ones with their head strong, he said they will be rejected because they will tell Juju Ekwensu, say this person, we cannot fight this person. No, this person is too strong. He said so they've brought a lot of people. He said even this period, when he be say a lot of people are dragging her on social media. He said Juju Ekwensu and the sister, he said they don't carry many people, many bloggers' name to their prayer hall where they pray evil prayer against people. He said they don't bring many bloggers' name to them with their pictures to them. He said they don't do many things. He said the ones where they feel operate on, that they operate on them, that they do evil prayer on them. He said that they light black candle on top of these bloggers that Juju Ekwensu and her sister brought to them, that they are doing evil prayers on them. He said no, say, na this person, na Juju Ekwensu be. she thought that it's just one of their members like that. He said it was when she saw what was going on. Now she could say, so it is all about May Edochie. Now this person come out, come secretly expose Juju Ekwensu. He said Juju Ekwensu na carry Kambili come give them. He said, and Yul Edochie supported it. He said Yul Edochie supported it because Yul Edochie, he said Juju Ekwensu na carry Kambili come give them. He said it was 1 week of prayers, of black prayers. Now they pray for Kambili. He said they are not church people. He said they do church till they deceive other members. He said once church closed, he said inside the church there, they get their spiritual room when they operate. He said after they do their physical prayer on somebody, they have a room inside the church where they do their physical prayer, where they do their evil gathering. He said if they do and they're not fit attack that person, they will not take the person to the river. She said a lot of bloggers, where Juju Ekwensu's sister don't carry come, he said they carry their name go on that river. He said, but many of them, they buff up themselves. Some of them are guided. He said, why some, they not just get anything where they protect them. All those one are they under their evil prayer. They put them in their evil altar. So according to her, he said, na Juju Ekwensu, the mother, the sister, he said they know what happened to Kambili. He said because they did 7 days of spiritual evil prayer for the soul of this boy to go. He said they prayed it. He said, and Juju Ekwensu was with them. Juju Ekwensu's mother was there. The sister was there. My people not be smart too. He said Yul Edochie. He said Yul Edochie has already been initiated into their kingdom. He said there is nothing when he go save Yul Edochie. He said Yul Edochie don't enter their kingdom. He said Yul Edochie, he said they tie Yul Edochie under the river. He said they tie him. He said that they command and they manipulate him. According to the woman, he said they even brought another son of May Edochie to them. He said, but that one backfire. He said they still carry Daniela, can't give them. He said they do prayer for Daniela 7 days. He said the thing backfire. He said they do 14 days night of prayer just to buy Daniela. He said the thing still backfire. The woman said Juju Ekwensu is a very wicked woman. He said she wants to clean all May Edochie children enemy. He said go dry all. She wants to teach May Edochie lesson. My people, according to the woman, he said after Juju Ekwensu bring a soul and they buy the soul, any soul she buy, he said Juju Ekwensu will change to python and she will swallow them spiritually. Don't ask me, if you are not a spiritual person, I cannot explain. People that are spiritual people, they know what they talk. She will change to python and she will swallow them. She feed on them. He said a lot of people where Juju Ekwensu don't give sickness. When he be say sickness of fibron, he said Juju Ekwensu, they go there, they collect their egg. She will change to python. In the night, while those people are sleeping, people that are enemies, that are not spiritually strong, and some of our fans that are not spiritually guided, that they think that Juju Ekwensu, they are supporting her. He said Juju Ekwensu not get friend if she change into her spiritual realms. She don't have a friend. He said even those people that are supporting her, people that are against her, in her eyes, in the spiritual realms, they are all her enemies because she's a serpent. He said when she changed to a serpent, he said most of them, he said give una fibron. So those of una way they support Juju Ekwensu, or you, where you they drag Juju Ekwensu, you are not spiritual guided and you have fibron, please go to the church. He said Juju Ekwensu throw the sickness of fibron to them. If you know that you have fibron when you started dragging Juju Ekwensu, she's the one that gave it to you. He said she would change to snake, go appear for their dream. Maybe the person go daydream, go dream, see snake. Juju Ekwensu will go and she will be eating their eggs in their stomach. When those people, when she eats the egg, they start bleeding. They start bleeding, that is their period. When they come, go, they rush. As that period, they rush, now they drink that period in the spiritual realms. My people, wonder shall never end. The woman talk a lot of things. He said they are into occultic marine spirits, marine kingdom. He said Juju Ekwensu is a very wicked soul when it's changed. He said because she's a serpent, she have no pity. She have no heart at all. She said she's very, very wicked when they go under the river. He said in the physical, she is even better a little. He said, but the moment they go under the river for any meeting at all, he said Juju Ekwensu have no mercy for anybody. She is that wicked that even her children, if they offend her, she strike in the spiritual realms. Wonder shall never end though. He said they don't carry Zeni come. He said they have brought Zeni to them also, the son of Yul Edochie. They said it was the last born of May Edochie. Say she remember very well. They wanted to exchange Zeni for Stadike. He said, but it not work. He said they carried Daniela. I said now 2 times. Now they do prayer for Daniela. They did the first one 7 days, it backfired. They do the 70 days zone. Fire scattered them. He said that's why they never went to drag Daniela again. He said she even brought Kai to them. He said when they brought Kai, they warned them that Kai gets spirits. Kai gets tough spirits. Anywhere they call his name, it is scatter things. He have a kind of hungry spirit in the spiritual realms. So it's better they avoid him. He said so for Kai, he said they not fit touch Kai. He's already protected physically. He said for May Edochie, he said they did a lot of things to that woman. He said that woman was under them. They were operating on her. They will put her under their control. He said now one program where May Edochie go, now he deliver May Edochie. One program where May Edochie go for Duhan. He said May Edochie was under them. He said they were operating on May Edochie. He said that they command the woman's spirit, that they go the house, that the whole meeting for May Edochie house, they were operating, they were commanding, they were flying to that house. They were doing a lot of things. He said, but May Edochie head strong. He said that they do all these things, but they were not able to buy May Edochie. He said, but last, May Edochie went to one program. He said, since when May Edochie go that program, come back. He said, everything where they take time May Edochie, all the chains, he said, they lose and they scatter. He said, when they try to retire May Edochie, he said, fire, na he burn them. Ha! He said, no, say, now these people, now Juju Ekwensu, they fight too. He said, she herself, her hand, no clean. Oh. He said, now all of them, they go the mission together. He said, he pay now for this Kambili Chukwu. He said, the day we Kambili Chukwu bear RIP. He said, they did Thanksgiving. They were rejoicing, dancing. He said, that dance where they say, me Juju Ekwensu, they dance. It is what they ask her to do. He said, even carry Yul Edochie join body. He said, it is not that they were dancing to forget the sorrow. No, it is something spiritual that they asked them to do. Wonder shall never end. According to her, he said the soul of Kambili Chukwu till tomorrow is still fighting Juju Ekwensu. He said after they buy the boy, he said the boy refused to rest. He said the soul of Kambili Chukwu is still fighting Juju Ekwensu. My people, wonder shall never end. Though. He said May Edochie now is spiritually strong. The woman is powerful now when it comes to prayer. He said the prayer of May Edochie, he said they scatter many things so away for them. He said even the prayer of May Edochie, sometimes they save Yul Edochie. He said because sometimes Juju Ekwensu, when she gets angry in the spiritual realm, she will just want to swallow Yul Edochie. He said they would tell her and say, make she relax. Say the time is not yet time. What they want from Yul Edochie, they never finish with them. According to the girl, he said Yul Edochie, he said they never finish with Yul Edochie. He said that thing they are looking for Yul Edochie, he said they never get them. He said if they get them, he said Yul Edochie, he said na buy they go buy them. He said Yul Edochie, he said they go buy them, he said no go survive. He said Yul Edochie hand, Yul Edochie will not see much to talk what he I see. He said because Yul Edochie have seen a lot and a lot. He said they never finish with her. He said when they finish with her, he said Yul Edochie go buy. He said that is what they have already said. Yul Edochie end na to buy am. Not be like the Mr. Obasi where they use condemn them through where they know. Yul Edochie, they will take his soul according to the member of Juju Ekwensu occultic Christian church, prophet church. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. Now God, now they protect me, Edochie. Now see who Juju Ekwensu is. When I tell us is there, una go think say I dey joke. Una don't see who Juju Ekwensu be. Leave your comment in the comment section. All I know is that God is greater than all of them. You see Juju Ekwensu, inshallah, she will confess. Nothing will stop her. She will confess. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you. Inshallah.